ZMO.ai is a free interior AI designing tool. Let me show you how it works. In order to get started, all you need to do is just three steps. You need to select your image, give it to ZMO.ai, and it is going to interiorly design it for you. For instance, on their website, you can see this example. On the top, this is the raw image of the sort of unrenovated room, and then when we gave it to ZMO, it designed it to perfection. So let's get started. In order to get started and try it out, you can click on get started with room design, and I will drop the link to this website in video's description. So let's wait for it to load. Okay, so there you go. You can also go with the text input, image input, background AI, and lot of other things. Let me go it with the image input, and I'm going to give it an image of an abandoned room. So let me upload it. So as you can see, I have uploaded this image of an abandoned room which is not renovated at all. And I'm just going to use a default one. I can also use copy contour, copy pose, and a lot of others, and freeform too. But let me go with the create one to see um, how it goes. So just click on generating, and then it says on the right hand side that it is asking you to sign up. So let me sign it up with my email. Give me a sec. Let me complete this. So I have finished signing up, and then after logging in I have clicked on generating again, and it is generating, and you can see the progress on the right hand side. There you go. So just compare the original image with the new image. Not only they have transformed the floor, but also have put in some of the styling elements like furniture and this plant over there, and look at the walls. They have painted it. There is also a glow coming, so all the lighting is perfect and looks so natural. And just to full marks for creativity, they have put an air conditioning on the top on this wall. Looks really good because just given the size of the room, and there is also a painting here. Now there is also some lighting coming on this. So, and look at this reflection. This is a window and this is a reflection. This is just crazily astounding. Very impressed by it. Now it has also generated another alternate if you don't like this one. So you see at the bottom. So click here, and there you go. And there is another one. And look at the reflections and the shadows here. Simply mind blowing. And this time they have put in the AC at the top of this sort of a separation of wall, or maybe a door. I'm not sure, but this looks great. So all in all, this is awesome. There are few discrepancies in it. For example, look at this one. I'm not sure what this red is on the wall and here, but still, all in all, this is awesome. And to top it off, you can also edit it by clicking on this edit button, and you can enhance it. But it costs you 6 credits. So I don't have credits. I just have 60, and I want to do more. Now, if you can also go to here and do your image design by clicking on this, and then from here you can select your room type, whether it's a living room, bedroom, and then you can go from there. So, for example, if you say, okay, no, I'm going to instead of living room, my room is this. Select the bedroom, and then click on create here. Okay, I need to because I have selected this. So let me upload the image again, and it will make it a bedroom. So let me upload that image again. So I have uploaded the image again. I have selected the bedroom. Let's see what it is this time. And you can also stop the creation if you like. Let's wait for it to finish. And this is one more thing I have found out about this tool, that it is fairly quick as compared to the other tools which offer free credit. Even on the free tier, the amount of work it is doing, it completes it fairly quickly within 1 or 2 minutes, which is awesome. It has finished creating two versions of the bedroom, and it has placed a bed, also created a featured wall and with all the breakup rack. And in the second one there is no bed, and but there is some at the far corner there are some stuff there. So maybe a blank canvas for you. So looks really cool. Now let me also show you how to do the text input. So click on text input here, and then maybe we can just give it, just reload it just for to make sure that it reloads quickly. And then I'm asking it to please design a rustic look man cave room for me with a pool table. And then let me click on create, and then the task is being created. And if you see on your right hand top right there, maybe okay, so there is a credit option, so it shows you how many credits you have. Okay, and now look at this man cave. I mean, simply out of this world. We have a pool table, we have some desk, and there's no chair, but still really a good one and a rustic look. So you get the idea. Not only you can design any room, and it will give you a lot of ideas, um, free versions, and then if you upgrade your profile, then for example with the boss profile you can have 8 images, which so you can select either one of them, and also it will have more output resolution. You can select the canvas sizes like this and this, and then go from there. You can also add the style. I haven't tried it out, but looks interesting. So all in all, this is amazing tool. I am very very impressed by it. And then you can also do the image background removal by this. You can also swap anything, also just upload your image and then swap any element of that. For example, if you select any one of this here, so I just selected their own image, they're processing it, and they are going to swap the element. So let's wait for it to finish. There you go. And then confirm the mask. Please choose a mask. The image you hope to change. So let me maybe I will just select the face maybe. Okay, and then confirm the mask, and step 3 is create. So let's wait for it to finish. On the right hand side again it has created the task, and it is going to swap this thing and just wait for the magic to happen. There you go. Can you see it? They have simply totally changed the face. So well, you know, this could be really interesting and scary, but you get the idea that how quickly, how easy it is to change the faces of the people here, and you can do many scary things with it too. Anyway, so this is it. This is it, guys. I hope that you liked it. I will drop the link to this great tool in video's description, and then we'll go from there. And I have more and more videos around it. So please stay tuned. And if you like the content, please consider subscribing. Thank you.